It's a 2008 Subaru Impreza sedan. The Impreza's styling, all-wheel drive, safety, and performance give you a whole lot of car, and a car you'll love a whole lot. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: AM/FM satellite prep radio, power windows, manual tilting steering column, power mirrors, manual telescoping steering column, manual transmission, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and intercooled turbo H4 engine. New Car Test Drive thinks the Impreza deserves to be a top choice in foul weather or on rough roads. But it's an easy car to live with, even in the best of conditions. It's comfortable and easy to drive. The interior is simple and straightforward, and everything is easy to operate. Live in the moment and love every minute in your Subaru. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.